The following portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored on behalf of Conserva Irrigation of Greater Scottsdale by Tosh LLC.
Saving money can be a huge deal to a lot of people, but you know what is even more important? Saving water. And here to tell us how we can do both is Karina Reginato of Conserva Irrigation of Greater Scottsdale. Welcome, Karina. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So let's start out by talking about Conserva Irrigation, who you are and what you do.
Yes, we are an irrigation company here in the valley, and we specialize in technologies for saving water in irrigation.
So this is mainly sprinkler systems?
Sprinklers, drip, smart controllers. Yes.
Smart controllers. Okay, this sounds great because I know a lot of us struggle with our sprinklers not doing exactly what we want them to do, meaning they're overwatering certain parts or they're getting too much on the concrete or the street. How do you guys come in and help us with situations like that?
We evaluate, we do a free inspection. In each case is different. It's different, so we design the solution for each case. We can do anything, say, lawn, changing, designing the irrigation, or service the current irrigation you have.
Okay, so tell me how this helps us, A, save money, and then B, save water.
Yes, it's a lot of technology for everything nowadays. So if you take in account that the irrigation system each time runs 2,500 gallons of water.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, it's a lot. Why not using technology?
Yeah.
For saving water. So we use all the last technology in irrigation, nozzles, smart controllers, flow meters, everything in the. We can save up to 60% of water.
Wow, up to 60% of what you were using before.
Of what you were using before.
Wow, and so this is great because A, you are, helping save water, which is good for all of us, for the environment, but it's also good for us personally because then our bills are going to be lower, which is saving us money.
Exactly.
Yeah, and I'll bet it makes it a little bit easier too with the smart technology.
It is.
The push of a button. So tell me a little bit about the Conserva Club that you guys do.
Yes, Conserva has been in the market for 15 years. We have been here for a year now. And basically what we do is for our clients, we give them the opportunity to sign with us 2 times per year or 4 times per year. We go, we supervise the irrigation, we see what's happening, what needs to be fixed before it's a huge problem.
Oh, okay, interesting. So this is something that they can sign up for, and you guys are going to be going there to just kind of check on everything, make sure it's all running properly, to keep getting them those great results that we were talking about. Okay, great. Tell me a little bit more about the smart technology. How does that work exactly?
We design the irrigation depending of what you need.
Okay.
Okay, because we wait until you tell us what you want to have, the look of your landscape. So your landscape looks exactly what you want.
Yes.
So based on that, we design the system for you.
Oh, this is great because everybody's home and their front yard and their backyard, it's also different. So this is really customized to them.
Yes,
that's
customized.
perfect.
It's a reflection of your personality. I think I've seen landscaping so different in every house.
Absolutely.
So we customize the solution for that customer.
All right, Karina, this is fantastic. I love all of these ideas of the smart technology to saving money and water. Tell everybody how they can work with you.
Yes, you can call us at 480-448-8890, or you can go to conservairrigation.com.
Okay, nice and easy. Karina, thank you so much for all these great tips. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, hey, stick around, guys, because we have more of the mix coming up after this. Yeah, it's great.
The preceding portion of the Arizona Daily Mix was sponsored on behalf of Conserva Irrigation of Greater Scottsdale by Tosh LLC.